Okay, students, now let us see why Revati was shocked, why she was surprised. And when she was surprised, she started blinking her eyes. उसको उसके आँखों पे विश्वास नहीं हुआ. Let's see why. Revati blinked for a few minutes. Blinked means opened and closed her eyes for a few minutes because she was really shocked. She did not believe what she was seeing. For there was neither the pot nor the plants. Neither the pot also was not there, nor the plants. सब कुछ गायब हो गया था. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot, and she looked around. Yes, आजू बाजू में देखी. She looked around the courtyard. She thought maybe someone might have shifted her pot of plants. She searched all over. Over that she went from here to there, search, idhar udhar dekhi. She asked her mother. She even asked her mother that where are my pot of plants? Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. She did not know anything where the pot or where the plants. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon. Now some of the neighbors had come visiting to their house. Yes, पड़ोसी उसके घर पे आए थे देखने को, ऐसे ही मिलने को. And they had come the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants. They had remarked. Remarked means they had commented. उन लोग ने तारीफ किया क्या, wow, what beautiful flowers and so nice plants. Oh, very nice looking. Yes, and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house, and after that Revati did not have time. Maybe she was busy doing her homework or busy in the house. So inside the house, and had not been to the courtyard. She had not been to the courtyard. Revati's grief knew no bounds. Now Revati's grief means what? Her sadness, her sorrow. She did not know उसके इतना दुख हुआ. Why? Because she had lost her plants, and that day was the contest, the competition. She went around asking every one of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. Now she went, asked everyone that did you all see my plants? But no one replied. All were telling, no, we didn't see your plants. She felt as though everything was lost. उसको लगा बस सब कुछ खत्म. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. Now she did not mind. जाने दो, prize नहीं मिला, but she wanted her plants. She wanted the plants that she cared for. She had grown very fond of them. और उसको उन लोग से एक लगाव हुआ था. Yes, she started liking her plants, caring for them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music. Yes, and why did she really like her plants? Because they were her friends who enjoyed her music. Yes, यानी इससे मालूम पड़ता है उसको प्लांट से क्यों लगा हुआ था, क्योंकि उन लोग उसके म्यूज़िक को सुनते थे. They used to respond to her music. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. Now that evening, it was the day of the competition, day of the contest. Yes, all were going to the competition to see the other plants they put on display. She did not want to attend, but Revati told, no, I don't want to attend. I don't want. Okay? But her friends forced her. But still for all, her friends forced her too. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Yes? Now students, see, during Navratri, when you all go, वो आरती थाली डेकोरेशन कंपटीशन रहता है, तभी कैसे रखते हैं? बेंच रहता है, उस पे सब थालियाँ रखते हैं, और people come and see, judge it. So like that only they were there was a bench kept and all potted plants were kept there. Revati was shocked. अभी रेवती को एकदम shock लगा. Why she was shocked? There was her pot of plants on the bench, and there was her pot of plants on the bench with the name of a distant neighbor. Distant यानी एक दूर के एक पड़ोसी के नाम लिखा हुआ था. Yes, and you know how they put the name in the pot? They put it on a cardboard piece and they push it in the soil. Soil यानी मिट्टी में ढस लेते हैं. Yes, of hers as the competitor. यानी एक दूर के पड़ोसी ने उसका प्लांट्स चुराया और उसका नाम डाल के gave it for the contest. Written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew that it was her pot of plants. And she knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. She went to the organizers. Organizers यानी जिसने ये कंपटीशन रखा ना, उन लोग को जाके उसने बता दिया कि ये मेरे प्लांट्स है. हाउ कैन दैट पर्सन कीप हर नेम? आई नो माई प्लांट्स. नाउ प्लांट्स पे क्या नाम लिखा रहता है? नहीं. यू कैन टेल बिकॉज ऑल प्लांट्स लुक सेम. But she told, no, this is my plant and I know this is my plant. Yes, now students, here we will stop this lesson. Next time we will continue because today I want to give you all some exercise to do. I want to teach you all a letter writing. Okay, and students, if you all don't have a separate book, you all can write this letter in the same book that you all are writing your exercises. Okay, now what you all will do is you all will write your letter in another book, or you all can write it in the book that is with you all. Okay, now this letter writing is, I will show you all the format. Okay, look at the board. Now we will first start with informal letter. Now informal letter, first, you know, now suppose this is your page. Okay, here you will have your name and address. Here you will write the date. Yes, date. Here, now students, which I'm putting line like that, is you have to leave a line. Okay, now informal letter you don't have two address, only one address. So you will write your friend's name. Now suppose if you're writing dear, yes, dear your friend, and put a comma. Now in this there is no need to form a paragraph. पैराग्राफ फॉर्म नहीं करना है, यहाँ से ही लिखना है. एंड here again you will leave a line. Okay, one paragraph, yes, leave a line. Second paragraph, leave a line. Third paragraph, you can write more than 3 paragraphs, leave a line. Your lovingly, suppose it is XYZ. Okay, so this is first para, second para, third para. Okay, so in this way you have to write 3 paragraphs. Yes, come on. Now I will give you all a letter. Write a letter to your friend, telling him or her about your hobby. Now your hobby can be anything: playing the music, planting trees, collecting coins, or playing cricket. Yes, And how will you tell? You have to write it in your own words. Okay, bye.